What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be putting in some new door trim on the R32. So I've already got it opened up and unboxed, so I'll show you a little bit what it's looking like. Get rid of that box. Alright. So I've already started this other side. I don't want to bore you guys with this with both sides. But basically what it's looking like is something like this. Got all new trim right here. And if you look on their side right here, it's all nice. It's all nice and soft. And when you come over here, and it's just all nasty. Like, that's just gonna, like that. It literally just came off my fingers. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna get this door panel off and put you guys on a time lapse, and I'll catch you guys up as soon as it comes off. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this panel right here, and I'm gonna end up taking this off. So as soon as I get this off, I'll let you guys know how it goes. There you go. I went ahead and popped it off. It's just 3 little pins right there, and then it just pulls off. So these bolts right here, those would be 2 10 mils, and I'm gonna have to re-tap this one because look, you can see the bolt's broken off in here. And I'm also gonna have to disconnect this wire right here, and I'm gonna unscrew this right here. That way there's nothing that's gonna be able to get in my way. And I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna Scotch-Brite all this, clean it all up, and go ahead, I'm gonna take all this old nasty door panel off that just is old and brittle, and honestly has seen much better days 30 years ago. Just a little update, the car had a little bit of rust on it, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab some 180 grit sandpaper, and I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna sand it off. I've almost got most of it off, but get the rest of it off, and then I'm gonna hit it with some rust neutralizer paint. Alright guys, I went ahead and popped this mirror off. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take a Phillips, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this piece right here. Bigger one. Nice. There we go. Alright, went ahead, popped this off. Now I'm making sure I'm putting all my pieces next to each other in the order that they came off, so that way I don't lose anything. You can see it all right there. Now, it's gonna be 3 pins right here, here, and there's gonna be another one. Also, it doesn't have a screw right here though. Screw right there, and then this is gonna pop off like that. And this, you don't really have to worry about breaking any of these pins right here because the kit is going to come with brand new pins and everything. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys as soon as I get them. Alright, so here's the new piece right here. You can see it comes with all new brand new clips and everything, brand new pins. So what you're going to want to do is just going to want to get in behind here and then just kind of pop it out. I'm going to put you guys on another time lapse. To be removing these clips that are right here, these little plastic retainer clips, and to do this you actually kind of have to hold it with one hand and just kind of pry it out like that. Can't get a really good angle since I'm the only one that's being able to hold a camera right now. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna replace them with these brand new ones that I got. And then there's this one black one right here. I'm gonna move this one over here because the red one that was right here already was all bent and broken, and so I ended up just throwing that one away. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the next couple minutes. So I'll see you guys as soon as I'm done with that. As you can see, they've all been replaced with brand new clips, and then I just repurposed this one right here since it doesn't really do a whole lot. It's just kind of a retainer clip. It's not the best, but these ones right here, those are the important ones, and those are not moving at all. So all I gotta do now is put that mirror back on, and then what I can go ahead and do is I can go ahead and put this door panel back on and just clean everything up with some interior wipe detail. All right, just got the whole door panel back on. Didn't want to show you guys that because it's pretty boring. It's really just some body pins and some screws, you know, basic stuff. Screw right here, 2 screws down below, and pull it off, or to put it back on, you just push it on. But trim overall, I'm really happy with it. Looks good right here, nice and wiggly. Nice. So this whole kit cost me $400. Would I do it again? I would do it again. I'm actually gonna plan on buying all this stuff right here. Buy all that. I have this stuff which I may or may not replace, still in its okay shape, and I'm gonna probably get some of this stuff. Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next time in the videos. I'll probably post another video either as soon as I get some parts in, which are gonna be coming hopefully sometime at the end of the month, or I might just film like a day in the life of owning a GTR or something like that. Just let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.